Hello and welcome back to Master Game Design, Unreal Engine 5, Stylized Environment and Third-Person Blueprint course. In the last lesson we left it off with implementing the first quest and the gate mechanic. We did a spawn system, we added the spawn start, and we also added an item that we picked up to solve the quest. Now, in this lesson, we're gonna start with, remember the mechanic we had an issue, the camera changing mechanic. So basically this mechanic is made for a different purpose. It's not that much for in and out of a place. It's like going through a corridor, like a gated thing. I don't know how to call this in English. Sorry, it's not my first language. So yeah, basically go through a tunnel, go through something. So you're kind of moving towards one direction. So when you go out, the direction is kept the same. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add I added the blueprint of our camera change and I'm positioning it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select of course the box extend. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So I think this is fine. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double click on it, on the component of the blueprint, and move it forward. That means I'm moving just the box and not the camera. And I'm gonna place it right where the corridor panel, whatever it's called, exits. And we'll see how it will look. So I'm gonna do the same for the camera. I'm gonna click on it. And I'm gonna just rotate it a little bit. Maybe zoom out also. I don't know. Let's see how this looks. I'm gonna press play. So if I go in and the door is still there, the camera does. Now we have this thing, but it doesn't matter. Now we could have activated only when the quest was solved, but that's a nice practice to do. So I delivered the quest, going through here. It didn't change much, so maybe select this also. It did a small change. It looked like it did a small change. Let's select the box again. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. That is fine. And let's give the camera a much different angle because now the angle didn't change much based on what I had. So let's say I'm entering like this. Yep. Now it's more obvious that we are zooming towards this door. And we're going out. Now let's give the fish. Here's your fish, sir. Navigate for us. Oh, and we are going out, and oh, that was a nice transition. If we go back in, go back out, it's not such a nice transition, but let's say you're blocking your players way afterwards. Like when we pass through here, you close the gate and there is some fight going on. Anyway, let's move forward. Now, let's put this door. This door needs the door mechanic. So this, I think we have the correct door. Yes, they look pretty similar. Let's bring this door here. It's small again. This is why things need to not be scaled. So I'm gonna rotate the actor and it's gonna be entering a little bit walls and everything. It's not gonna fit perfect right now because I just scaled by hand. And yeah, let's keep this door like this. Let's say this door is not remote open, it needs an item. And the item it needs, let's select an item. We have items. Props, meshes. What does this guy need? Does this guy need potatoes? Does he need meat? Does he need a crab? Crab looks nice. Is that a crab? Yeah, crab. Alright, so we need this door needs a crab. It's an expensive one. Let's get crab. Let's bring an item. A pickup item. I have migrated my project. This is why this time is not color coded to a more updated version of the whole project. So yeah, you can actually, if you, that's a nice info. If you migrate the testing map, you're migrating all these mechanics to any game that you want, any Unreal Engine, not game, Unreal Engine project. Sorry. So let's bring the pickup item. It's a nice huge ball. Not gonna make us search for it, I'm just gonna have it here. Let's name it crab. Find the crab also. Static mesh. It's not crab. I spelled carp. I did the same mistake here. Have I done the same mistake on the door? That's nope. Okay, that would have caused a problem. Now this could not be in the air, so let's make it like this. Let's put it on a wall. Now if we had a component of movement behavior, that would be awesome to add it here. So that this could crawl on a wall and we would pick it up. But this is fine also. So we have a crab here and this should open this door. So let's press play. The mighty hero is gonna get the fish. These heroes are feeding people. There you go. Take your fish. Great. Door is open. The crowd fell because it has physics. Yeah, that's something I didn't think of. Okay, we gave it to the door. Crowd left. We didn't put an inventory image. It had a blank image. Doesn't matter. Our door opens. Is this not the door we were supposed to go through? I think this is it. And we have our weapon over there. So we can't really change on the runtime things. Oh no. Doesn't really matter. Because we can, as I said, we cannot change it. Let me fix this. Now, an extra code that turning on and off physics based on placement, and when you're dropping it again, it gets physics. Would be nice. That's also nice practice, so you can put it on the construction script, a boolean that turns on and off physics. And I'm gonna get this actually, no. So this is it for this one. I'm gonna pause here and continue on the next video. So goodbye. I'm gonna see you on the next. Bye bye.